Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can export your graph into PNG, SVG, PDF format. Let's get into the code. It is the same code that I used in my last video to show you how you can plot 2D points in graph. To save graph into SVG, PNG format, we just need to add one line of code. So I will comment this line 11 because we don't need it right now. The method that we need to save our graph in PNG, SVG format is savefig method. So let's use that method, savefig, and here we need to provide the file name. But I want to specify location as well because I want to save my PNG in desktop. So what I will do is I will provide my desktop location and I will name my file is graph.png. Before running this program, I would like to show you my desktop. Here is no PNG file, and then let's run this program. We can see here our graph is generated with the name graph.png, which is exactly what we have provided here. If I open this file, this graph looks exactly same as in the last video. It's done for PNG, right? Now what if we want to save in SVG format? It is exactly same code, just change PNG into SVG and run it again. And there you can see graph is generated here in my desktop. So it is all what I want to show you today. But if you would like to know more about this savefig method, I will put a link in the description so that you can check it there.